Welcome back to my channel Conquer the Fear. In this video, we are going to discuss about very common and the practical problem often asked in a Java interview questions, especially if you are a junior, mid-level or an experienced candidate. Now in this video, we are going to look into the real interview coding questions asked in one of the interview of Ultimetric. So the person attended, it was a round one interview. So after asking all the basics questions with respect to Java, he was asked to write a program on number of occurrences and what are the count for that particular strings available in the array list. So he was asked to write a Java program, whether it was Java 8 or whether it was Java normal. It depended on the interview. So it asked him to write that particular program. Let's try to achieve this particular program using the Java 8 approach. Now let's try to create a class string occurrences Java 8. Now as the question is around counting and sorting the string occurrences, we'll first write the main method. Now as we need the input, now this would be the input of us, where we will have this particular list of this. And if you see these, I got the repeated fruits as well, and some apple, banana, promo, etc. So these I will just try to print this first to make you show you that what exactly is the output. So this is how the initial code is about. Now we have to write a program to first count it and then ultimately sort it. Now as this particular program has to be written in Java 8, what we have to do is that we have to first take the list. The very first thing is that we need to convert it into the string. Now this is one of the very first thing what you should be doing to convert the string, then only you will be able to perform the intermediate and the terminal operations. Now on top of that, we'll call the collect. Now instead of this particular collect with something as in collect to list, what we'll make use of the grouping by over here, because we need to segregate based on the keys, right? So keys are actually the apple, banana, orange, these are the keys, and I need a count of that. So in that case I need to group by. Now on what basis I will try to group by? I will try to group by with the key. Then what I will do, I will actually collectors dot count it. Now I will count with it. So once I get an count of this, now here actually I will take that particular entry sets of here, because after this I will get the map over here of key and the value for each of them. Now for this particular each set of entries, like we'll get a string and then the long of it. So now on top of that I will again write a stream of this, and then I will do the sorted map. Now here actually I need to give the map of entry of that particular, using the comparing by key, right? So I'm trying to do by comparing by the key here, so I have to give the key. So here they are trying to compare it by the key. Now here after this I will try to collect it. Now I will be collecting it to a map inside this. Now under this what I will do, I will require a map entry of key first, then same of value, get value. After this, now I will just try to take the old and the new value over here, let's say here, and the new value. Here, because here we are going to merge, that is going to be not strictly needed the key over here, so we have to take the unique of that, right? So I will take the old value over here, and then I will try to do the grouping. I will just try to do call the value, and then I will take the linked list over here. So here I will take the linked list, linked hash map over here. So this will going to preserve the order of it. Okay, so that is the reason I have used it. Now this I have to assign it to a map of, because I'm going to get the string and then the long. Now I want this sorted string counts. So this is what I wanted. Now this is what I have assigned to it. Now post this, I will have to print this, right? So I will take this particular and do the for each over here. Now here for each of this particular key and the value, I am going to print the key and value over here. So here key. Now if you see, I'm taking the key, and then ultimately I do some, and then I will print the value over here. So I have to remove the semicolon over here, and that's all. I think it doesn't need to write any more code. That's what we have done. Now you see, this is the input. Now here apple, if you see in this, it has appeared for 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Banana, you see, it is only appeared 1 time. Grape, 1 time. Orange, if you see, it has occurred for 2 times, and similarly for grape as well. Sorry, promo, if you see, this has appeared 2 times as well. So I hope this particular code example, I was able to explain you how I able to write it using the Java 8 approach, and what are the terminals and the intermediate operation we made use of it with the help of a map. So we made use of the linked hash map, where it will be maintaining the insert the order of it. So in that case, we are able to write this. Now instead of this particular in the alphabetical order or in the sorting order, I wanted based on the keys, right? So values actually. So if I write it value, then you will be able to see it is based on the value. So it is in the increasing order if you see. So this is how you can actually with little bit tweak change the order and the sorting of it and the count of it in the order which we want. So if this video was helpful, please share it with the needy people. Also don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such videos on Java interview and other topics. Thank you for watching.